Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the Norton IT22W mechanical line voltage single pole thermostat. Now when I moved into this apartment it was completely out of calibration. I calibrated it, and now for this video I had to uncalibrate it so that it wasn't turning on at the right temperature. Now what you'll need is a digital thermometer so you know what the room temperature is, a screwdriver, and that's it. Now you want to be careful if you haven't turned off the power, and obviously you need to do this with the power on, otherwise you won't be able to tell if it's calibrated or not, which you'll see when I show you how to do it. So those are the two tools that you'll need, is a digital thermometer and a screwdriver. And there's a calibration screw behind the cover, which you'll also see. So let's get to it. So first of all, you pull the cover off. And as you can see right here is the calibration screw. And here's the bimetallic plate that senses the temperature and expands and contracts according to the temperature to let the thermostat know when to turn on or off. So right now it's set to 10. That's where the indicator is pointing, and that's in Celsius. Now if you turn it up to around 20, you might have heard the click that it made, which means that it's turned on and it's giving power to the baseboard heaters. And then you'll hear a click again when you turn it off. So obviously it's not calibrated right now. So here's my digital weather station that I bought the other day, and at the bottom there it'll show you the current indoor temperature, and that's what we're looking for. So right now it says 22 Celsius. So we know that it's set for about 20 right now, so it'll just be a slight adjustment. Now you'll be turning the screw clockwise. So you just turn it a little bit. Now when you turn on the thermostat, you can hear that click, and it comes on around 22. If we put the cover back, it's probably more like 21. If you want to be more exact, you can just keep fine-tuning this calibration screw. So we'll turn it just a hair. And now we'll adjust this again. And you heard the click. That means it's the heaters are on and it's getting power. Now when we put the cover back on, it's a little closer to the actual room temperature of 22, which I showed you on the weather station that I just showed. So that's how you adjust a line voltage mechanical thermostat for a baseboard heater. It's not a heat anticipator screw. This is just a calibration screw here. And you do need to be careful because there is power connected behind here, and you don't want to accidentally come in contact with a live line. So it is pretty close to 22, as close as you can possibly get it with a mechanical thermostat. And then now we would turn it off and you hear a click. I'll just put the cover back on. Right now it's at 10 Celsius. So now we'll turn it on again. And there's the click. And now it looks like it's more at 25. And that's why I said it's not very easy to calibrate these mechanical thermostats, because it's always off a little bit. But you can get as close as you can and then just leave it there. Because I could come back later once the bimetallic plate has had a chance to cool, and then it'll probably come on over here when the thermostat is set like that, instead of now coming on where it says 25. So that's how you set these mechanical line voltage thermostats. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.